Miles, what are you telling us that we need to do?
Stand back when the volcano erupts.
Okay. All right. Well, are you gonna go do it?
Okay, so very gently so you don't spill any of it. Oop. Here it erupts. Oh no!
Whoa! I think it needs more vinegar.
Daddy, it's not. It's starting to run fast.
Okay.
Stand back. What?
It's going down the mountain. It's going down the volcano.
But Dad, when it's the hot lava.
That is the hot
That's the hot lava. See it? Look at all that. Yeah, just pour all the vinegar in. Whoa! More vinegar!
More vinegar! More vinegar!
It probably won't do too much more, Miles.
Whoa.
The volcano is erupting. Is it hot? Really hot?
It's a pretend volcano, so remember, it's not actually hot. But it's icky, so don't touch it too much. You can touch it with a finger.
I can?
Yep, but then you can't. You have to be careful because if you put that finger in your eyes, it will hurt because that vinegar isn't good for your eyes.
Is it hot?
No.
How cool was that?
Good.
Should we get some more baking soda?
Yeah, so let's do a more volcano.